Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to unblock a contact on WhatsApp. Maybe you have blocked someone in the past and now you want to allow them to contact you again. So today I'm going to show you how to unblock a contact on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, select Privacy. Within the Privacy settings, scroll up and here, you will see this Block Contacts option. Simply tap on it. In this page, you will see the list of all the contacts that you have blocked on WhatsApp. Now, choose the contact that you want to unblock. For example, I will choose this contact. So, tap on their name. A menu will appear with an option to unblock the contact. Simply tap on it to confirm your decision. After that, you now have successfully unblocked a contact on WhatsApp. They will be able to send you messages and call you on WhatsApp again. You will also be able to see their messages and calls in real time. There you go. If you wanted to know how to unblock a contact on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to unblock a contact on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.